Hey, everybody. Happy New Year. Rochelle Plumstead here from eXp Realty. Thanks for joining me for the very first Movin Up minute of the new year. I hope you enjoyed some downtime. I know I certainly did. Took a couple of weeks pretty much off just to kind of review and reflect on 2025, rest up a little bit, just kind of recharge those batteries. But I'm ready to rock and roll now. I wanted to start out this year with something honestly that's been kind of bothering me a little bit over the last couple of weeks, and that's AI. And for my more mature viewers, that's artificial intelligence. As our world gets more technically advanced, we're seeing more and more of this, and it's bothering me because the last couple of weeks I've had a hard time in a couple of instances differentiating between what is real and what has been computer generated. Now, I know that AI has a lot of positive attributes, and I'm certainly going to be incorporating those in my business model to make sure that you're getting the best service that you possibly can. But I wanted to take this opportunity to let you know that when we're speaking, whether it's this way and I'm speaking to you, or we're in person or on text message, or we have an appointment, you're always going to get authentically me. Not something that's been, computer generated. I don't use a lot of these, what are they called? Drawing a total blank. See, now you're getting authentically me because I can't remember what it's. Filters. I don't use filters. What you see is what you get. This is me. There's no filters. Sometimes I'm going to have bad hair days. Some days I might not have makeup on because I came across a situation that I wanted to stop and tell you about. But just know that you're always going to get the genuine me. I believe in living my life in integrity, whether it's my personal life or my professional life. So though I may use some AI tools to help serve you better, you're always going to get just me. So if you're moving up, moving over, or moving out, and you want to talk to somebody authentic and not a computer, give me a call, send me a text message, send me a message on Messenger, whatever's easier for you. Wishing you guys all a fantastic weekend, and we will see you all next week. Bye for now.